Hey guys, let's imagine you have a list of URLs and you want to check them if they're actually are not broken URLs or not broken links. So this is a list of 300 plus URLs, and what I want to do is to implement some script so it will check all those URLs automatically, so we don't need to click each URL and see how it looks. All the credits go to this guy who is written by Adham Banhavi. Hopefully I pronounced his name correctly. Thank you, sir. And also Daniel Silver, who originally wrote the script. Thank you as well. So what we're going to do here in the spreadsheet, go into extensions and click app scripts, and right there we paste the script that you can find within this tutorial. Here we go. Once it's done, you want to save it, then go back to the spreadsheet, and we have two columns, column A with URLs and column B with status code. So what I'm gonna type here is equal get status code, and then provide, so that's column A, row 2, so parentheses A2, right? Let me hit enter, loading. You'll see that 301, meaning that's redirected. Okay, let me do more. So I can do it like that in bulk, loading. Okay, 200, meaning that the web page does exist, so no problem with that. If we see some 404, you know what is that? That is a broken link. I don't see any of those yet, but you've got a point. So you are doing that, so like that, and you will be able to find all the links that are not working. Okay, I found one here. Here we go. So let me just double check. Okay, it's not found, so it's perfectly fine. 404 not found, and yeah, hopefully it was helpful. Thank you.